Hi, I'm Phil Jones from Firewave, and on today's Whiteboard Wednesday we're going to discuss if your core assumptions limit your business. So, I want you to think about three particular subjects and think about the beliefs you hold and really challenge them to think, are they true? Are they assumptions that you're making? And there's a fly. And what else can you possibly get out of those assumptions to maybe change where your business is going and how your business is doing? So number one is premises. Whether you're a high street agent, whether you work from home, whether you have a converted barn like we do here at Ashdown Jones, to challenge, is that the right thing for your business? Is it the right thing from a financial point of view? Is it the right thing from a lead generation or for where your clients want to be? And does it have enough offices and does it have enough seats for where you want to be? Is there room for you to grow there? And really challenge your assumption. If not, there's never been a better time to look for somewhere else than now. Offices are probably a little bit quiet around the country, so wherever you are, now is to really challenge your assumption that maybe a high street office is the right place to be, or challenge the assumption that being at home is the right place to be. Number two is your team. You may have an amazing team like we do, but is each team member in the right seat? You may have a great relationship with certain members of your team and you get on really well with them, but their productivity actually isn't where you want it to be, and it's not because they're the wrong person for the team, it's just that they're in the wrong seat. So map out exactly who you've got and the roles you have and where they sit and what their responsibilities are and their salaries, and work out that do you have the right people with the right skill set in the right seats. And something that you can do for this is something called a DISC profile, which will tell you exactly, you can get them to take a DISC profile, you can Google it and you'll find it there. If you get them to take the test, it will tell you exactly what their skill set is, exactly how to manage them for you, and exactly what seat they should be in or the type of role they should be taking. And don't just presume that because you get on well, that they are in the right seat. They may be the right person for you, that doesn't necessarily mean they're doing the right job. Number three is market. We get a lot of agents come to us and say, I'd love to be selling these really expensive homes, but we just don't have it, we're not able, we don't have the skills, we don't have the knowledge, we don't have the team. That is an assumption that may be correct, and if so, do you want to do something about it, or are you going to carry on the path that you're going on? Or it might be an assumption that you just don't have the confidence. If you don't have the confidence, your team don't have the confidence. So challenge, are you happy with the market you're working in, or is it something that you want to try and get into those higher value homes and you want to increase your fee and therefore you increase profitability? And if so, work out exactly how you can do that. So those three subjects, work out, have you got limiting core assumptions that are affecting your agency? If you'd like to know more, and if you'd like to know about how we at Firewave can help you get into those high value homes or challenge some of your core assumptions, visit fire-wave.co.uk/start. That's fire-wave.co.uk/start. We only work with one agent per area, so fill in your details, and if your area is free, we'll be on the phone straight away to see if and how we can help you take your agency to the next level. Bye for now.